Are you struggling to manage food production line cleaning and sanitation? Are misinspections and incomplete tasks putting you at risk of not being compliant? Do you want to establish a highly efficient and compliant sanitation program that reduces downtime and enhances food safety? Introducing Weever, an operations management platform used by food manufacturers worldwide to increase efficiency and effectiveness. Weever makes it easy to forecast, establish, and optimize sanitation schedules. Line operators are alerted by a schedule, or they can load the form by scanning a QR code. The entirely configurable sanitation checklist form ensures every task is completed correctly by providing on-demand instructions. Employees pass or fail tasks as they go. In the event of a failure, they can add photos or videos to describe the issue. Inspection failures automatically create tickets for supervisor evaluation and review that are used to correct issues and continuously improve program performance. Automatically generated KPI dashboards save administrative time and provide valuable insights that answer questions like: how much time are we spending on sanitation? Are we becoming more efficient? What lines, ships, and teams are not performing well? What inspections are failing the most? Say goodbye to inefficient paper forms and spreadsheets and hello to Weever. Get in touch to see how Weever can solve your production line sanitation program today.